former YouTube Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. And this video, as you can see in the title, I am doing a course sale. So I'm doing an Independence Day sale. So from now until you see this video, until July 4th at 11:59 p.m. will be the sale, and basically the sale is you're gonna get $100 off of the course. So the course will now be $297 for a limited time again. But just wanted to give you guys the opportunity to take advantage of it. I've gotten a lot of messages about this upcoming holiday and if I was going to do a discount for the holidays. And in all reality, I wasn't from the start, but got enough messages to where I figured, why not? Um, so here's your opportunity to get it if you haven't got it yet at a discounted price. You're still getting the same information. You're still getting everything if you were to pay full price. So take advantage of that. Just want to let you guys know on my YouTube channel, to all my subscribers, to check it out. The link will be in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.